Hello, welcome to Create with Jeff YouTube channel once again. Today, let me show you how to use the Radial tool, Radial option, or Radial configuration, I guess you could say, to make a design go in a circular shape. Let's do that. Okay, what you're seeing right now is me trying to make a design, just make something up. I chose flames. I guess that was the easiest thing that came to my head when I started to think about this video, what I could make for this. So I'm gonna make a flame, just like an ember, and I'll show you how to make it go into a circular formation in a bit. Okay, so once you have your illustration, go ahead and select it, completely. Go to repeat and click Radial at the top of the menu to the right panel. All of those cool options to change your illustrations are at the right. And select it, make sure you click Radial, and you'll be able to get this awesome effect. It repeats itself in the circular formation that you chose, and get to do this. You get to move it around. Right here, I'm using kind of like the tool to flip it inside out, but I want it to look like that, kind of like a boomerang, or I don't know, a projectile, just flames circling around. What I'm doing right now, using the arrow to the right to increase how many times it repeats itself, just to make it look cooler, but I'm gonna keep it a little lower. And also you can use those little arrows in the middle of the circle to increase the area that you can see of your illustration, how many repetitions of it you can see. So have fun with this, and I hope you like this video. Later.